Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to give store credit on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to access your Shopify admin. So log into your Shopify admin account. Now go to customer section. So from your Shopify admin, navigate to the customer section by clicking the customers in the left-hand menu. Now find and select a customer. So locate the customer you want to give store credit to by searching for their name or email address in the customers list. Click on the customer's name to access their details. Now issue store credit. In the customer's detail page, scroll down to the customer account section. Here you can view the customer's order history and other details. Now click on Add Store Credit. So within the Customer Account section, click on the Add Store Credit button. This will open a pop-up or a new page where you can enter the details of the store credit. Enter the store credit amount. In the pop-up or new page, enter the amount of store credit you want to give to this customer. You can specify the currency and the value of this store credit. This is an add note, so this is optional. So optionally, you can add a note or message to the customer regarding the store credit. This note can provide details about why the store credit is being issued or any specific terms or conditions associated with it. Now, save the store credit. So after entering the store credit amount and any additional information, click on the Save or Add Store Credit button to issue the store credit to the customer. Now notify the customer. So it is a good practice to inform the customer about the store credit they have received. You can manually send them an email or reach out through another communication channel to let them know about the store credit and how they can use it. Okay? So by following these steps, you can give store credit to customers on Shopify, allowing them to use the credited amount for the future purchase on your store. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.